This is a set of 1938 cylinders that we're in the process of repairing. It had major welding going on here. It hadn't been done properly, so I've had to hog all this out and then put a piece of cast iron all the way through here to fill it up, and then bronze welding and doing it with oxyacetylene. We've found that all your modern methods of welding just don't hold up. Taking a step back in time, doing it with the old-fashioned oxyacetylene and bronze welding works the best, especially over time. It just won't let you down. So the inside of the intake port has been welded up as well to reseal the intake nipple, and these fins have had some major repair as well all over. And we can have a look how much rebuilding we've done down the port and all the way up there, and we're still yet to resurface this nipple. We'll go to the rear. We've had to repair a crack through there. And somebody drilled some holes through here. But over the years we've established a really good process to do all this, and it's not going to fail down the road as well.